Here it is, the 1978 Ford Bronco on a Crown Victoria chassis, the BroncoVic. We're back at this mess another week.
You ever wanted a NASCAR, Pikes Peak, Baja truck?
Pow, 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 pow.
Anything that's just annoying.
Actually has truck wheels and tires. Let's get this firewall finished. Alright, so the easiest way to do this, piece of scrap paper, rub the edges. You get an instant template. There's no other way to measure that. I don't know what to tell you, but cut that out and cut it out of metal. Don't do that, kids. Trying to weld all that mess. Yep, spray foam. Let's just don't focus on that. Let's just move forward. Finish off sealing off the firewall. Got a cheap little hack I'm going to show you for sound deadener if you don't want to spend a lot of money. It's waterproof repair for rain gutters and splashing. You literally cut it to what size you want. Now, if you're doing like large floor pieces, you know, I don't recommend this because it's, let me just open it up for you. The width of it, it's not about square footage on a floor or on a, you know, cab or whatever, but for firewalls, especially hideous stuff like we're doing here, it's kind of a bit, it's perfect because it's small pieces and it's got, you know, the same like tar almost once it gets hot that sound deadener has. And the beauty of this is it is a 6-inch roll, so it's really easy to cut, stick, cut, stick, cut, stick, and go. It's like $18 for, I think, 25 feet, 25 by 6. Now, I still like to use the same roller that you use for sound deadener to install that. You don't have to, but it does make it adhere a lot faster. So there's no real rhyme or reason, you just get after it. Stick it on there. I like to put all the pieces on, then roll it once. And this stuff it's super sticky, but it's almost like it doesn't adhere until you roll it. Built the firewall, we insulated it, it's got seam sealer, it's painted, sound deadener, and it's done. Less than 30 bucks and about 2 hours labor.
The one thing we all battle with Crown Vic swaps is the wheel and tire selection. This clapped out Bronco gives me the opportunity to make 15-inch wheels and big tires fit. So that's what we're doing here.
Okay, so the back, I'm gonna take the interior panel brackets out, both sides. To get the stance I want, I'm gonna have to cut the remainder of these inner fenders out. But I want it to look like a wide body that's landing the whole time it's driving. And then I want it to be, you know, basically the Crown Vic when you're driving it. The good part about this project is there's nothing on the body that's remotely worth keeping. The bad part about this project is there's nothing on the body that's remotely worth keeping. So we got body filler backed with cardboard. I'm not even mad. That's actually pretty impressive work. Let's go. All right, so I cut out pretty much all of the Bondo. And now I can get the 15 under there. I really like building things like this. A lot less pressure. You're not freaking out because it's a customer's truck, or wondering if what your thought process is going to be okay. You don't have to call and ask, hey, do you mind if I cut your wheel wells out? You can just do it, and if you don't like it, change it. There are customers that let you build that way, and they're honestly the best ones. But I don't have a problem with building something for somebody. It just takes a lot longer and costs a lot more. in deeper. So trim, cut, grind, repeat. This actually turned into a lot more work. A little more time consuming than I thought, but in hindsight, I think if I do this again, I would definitely build the repair panel first, put it over the damaged area, and clamp it or tack weld it into place over top of it and cut both areas out at once with one cut. That would save you a lot of time, I would think. If that's not the right path, comment below, body shop people, and tell me how to do this mess, because this has been a lot longer than I thought it would. Still fun though. And like I said, I already developed a different process for doing it the next time. Could always Google, I guess. And it actually looks like I wanted it to look. I mean, who wouldn't want an annoying ass, loud Bronco that could possibly outrun you and looks like it should be on Pikes Peak race or in the Baja 1000? This is going to be so annoying to so many people. I cannot wait. Can you imagine the look of that thing with a top and a tailgate?